for today's video guys. So, naman tayo sa here we go again. Linis-linis na namin. Okay. Friday kahapon may bisita. So, ngayon, general cleaning. Dami. Ang lamig-lamig pa. Patay natin isang aircon. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. Together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years with everything I doubt, but always works things out. I've learned what life about by loving you through the years. Shout out day daw sa mga manghuda no, gwapo nga si CR. Hindi tigting siya guys.